BLT stuffed tomatoes. I can smell that the bacon, which I'm cooking in the oven right now, is probably crispy and brown. Let me just grab it. It looks great. So for the tomatoes, I par cooked my bacon this morning at like 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm just heating it up, and these few pieces, I put a little piece of foil on to protect them. I just wanted to heat them up again. And I'm gonna leave them warm just off to the side on the stove and let them continue to drain. I bake the bacon at 425 also, center oven. Let everything drain, okay? Let me just walk you through the preparation we did ahead of time. John was kind enough, when he was done jogging in the cellar this morning, to shred up these beautiful large pieces. Look at these pretty ribbons. This will go on top. This is Parmigiano Reggiano. This one was hand shredded on my little microplane gratery thing, right? And I also have just store-bought fine ground Parmigiano or Parmesan, if you prefer to get a nice price. Wisconsin makes lovely Parmesan cheese. And this is brilliant. This is store-bought or homemade, either one, but store-bought is the easy, fun shortcut. These are just garlic croutons. All I did was throw them in the food processor. This is actually a mixture of homemade croutons, and I didn't have quite enough, so I threw in some store-bought ones that my sister dropped off. So this is a little combo. And what we're gonna do is layer the bacon, which we baked, inside the tomato, between the garlicky crumb and a little parm. And the lettuce is spicy watercress. We're gonna broil the tomato briefly, just char the edge, stuff it, and top it. And then we're done. Okay guys, so here's the broiled tomatoes. Just empty shells, broiler on, just brown the edges. It takes like 3 or 4 minutes under the broiler. That's just olive oil, salt, and pepper. So we coarsely chop the crispy bacon. We fill the tomatoes with layers of the ground croutons, homemade or store-bought, garlicky crouton, okay, cheese, our lettuce is watercress. Stuff in watercress to each broiled tomato. Really pack it in there. We all know greens cook right down to nothing. And then cram as much as you can. Pack in some more breadcrumb. Oh, sugar pop. Duh, forgot the bacon. Duh. Bacon! Bacon. Now, pack in your breadcrumbs. Pack in a little more greens, because it just looks pretty when they come out from under the broiler. Just pack in a little more greens. They're gonna wilt, but they'll also get a little cool looking at the edges. We do this super fancy cheese that John shredded, and we just melt that shredded parm down over everybody. Let's put it back under the broiler for a sec. Okay, there they are. Wowza!